Hi guys, and welcome back here to Drone Emotion. Today we're back here once again with a brand new video, and today we're going to be talking about the DJI RC, or the brand new controller, a smart controller which is included with the brand new Mini 3 Pro. And I've received a lot of questions in the past few days regarding its compatibility with other DJI drones such as the Air 2S and the Mavic 3. And in today's video we're going to be talking about whether or not this brand new Mini 3 smart controller will be compatible with other DJI drones. But before we get started with today's video, if you're new to the channel, welcome here, and you want to keep up to date with any upcoming DJI products, whether it is the Air 3 or the Inspire 3, you already know this is a place to come for all of the latest updates and news. And also, we're currently in the road to 10,000 subscribers, and right now we're getting extremely close from actually reaching that goal. So if you're not subscribed yet, I invite you to go ahead and join the Drone Emotion family. So without any much further ado, let's go ahead and get started with today's video, which is going to be quite exciting. And well, we saw the launch of the Mini 3 Pro last week with that brand new smart controller, which for DJI its official name is the DJI RC. That is the official name. And well, unfortunately, it looks like you're not going to be able to get it just by itself as of right now. That would be amazing. Now, if technically the price of the controller alone is $240 just for that brand new smart controller, which in my opinion is a great deal when you consider that the DJI RC Pro cost around $1,500. That is just absolutely crazy. Now, a lot of people have been asking us, will this brand new Mini 3 Pro smart controller be compatible with other DJI drones, such as maybe the Air 2 or the Air 2S or the Mavic 3? And well, today I have some news for all of you. As of right now, it looks like it will not be compatible with the Air 2 because it has OcuSync 2.0. Now the Air 2S does have OcuSync 3.0. Now, as of right now, as of the recording of this video, we still have no confirmation that they will be compatible with the Air 2S, but I'm pretty confident that it will most likely be compatible with a future firmware update. So stay tuned for that. But I am feeling confident that this new Mini 3 smart controller will be compatible with the Air 2S. Now, what about the Mavic 3? Well, I have some great news for you, and that is because in September, so just in a couple more months, this brand new smart controller, the DJI RC, will in fact be compatible with the Mavic 3, and I am very excited because the Mavic 3 deserved this controller from the very beginning, and I am glad that it's going to be making it compatible. So this probably means that maybe, if we're lucky, the Air 2S might be compatible probably by September as well, but still no confirmation for the Air 2S as of now, only for the Mavic 3. So those are great news, ladies and gentlemen. If you're picking up the Mini 3 Pro and you have a Mavic 3, well, I think those are good news because you're going to be able to use both controllers, that same controller for both drones. So those are great news. So that is what I have for all of you today. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave them down in the comment section down below. But that is going to be a wrap for today's video. Thanks so much for watching, and see you tomorrow in a brand new video. This is Drone Emotion, signing out.